Hello students, let us discuss in text question on IUPAC nomenclature of alkane. Here we have the problem number 12.7. What is given? Structures and IUPAC name of the some hydrocarbons are given below. Explain why the names are given in the parentheses are incorrect. Here already given molecule. Okay, this is the molecule. They are telling 2, 5, 6 trimethyl octane is correct, but not the 3, 4, 7 trimethyl octane is wrong. Okay, let us see here. What is the reason means, as you know very well. So what is the rule we have? Lowest locant number, nothing but sum of the substituents should be less. So if you proceed in this direction, okay, so we are going to get what? 2 plus 5 plus 6, nothing but 13. If you write in this direction, what happened? We are going to get the 3 plus 5 plus 7, nothing but 15. So here what is our why it is right, why it is correct means sum of the substituents should be less. So in this direction, here in this direction, what happens? Some of the substituents are going to be less. So 2, 5, 6 trimethyl octane is correct, but not the 3, 4, 7 trimethyl octane. Next question, what is given here? This is 3-ethyl 5-methyl heptane is correct, but not the 5-ethyl 3-methyl here heptane. So here if you see, both are at a 3, 5 only. Okay, here if you see some of the substituent 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 means you are going to get the 8, means from some of the substituent both the direction is same. But here what happened here? Now we have some more examples. So what is the given here? Here you can see the example. In this example, what lowest sum and alphabetical arrangement is there. Okay, you can see 4-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. Okay, you have to proceed for the lowest sum rule and alphabetical order here. Okay, next, if you proceed in this direction, what happened here? You are going to get the more number, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means you have substituted at third plus 5. Means you are going to get the more. Okay, 8. So sum of the here what? Lowest sum and alphabetical arrangement. So some of the sum of the substituent should be less. After that, what happened? You are going to write according to alphabetical. So ethyl will come first. So you are going to write first 4-ethyl. Then after that 2-methyl. Parent chain is what? Hexane. We are not going to write first what? 2-methyl 4-ethyl first. Okay, first you have to write the 4-ethyl. Why? Because means alphabetical order. Here again, here you can see the same lowest sum and alphabetical arrangement. Here you can see the longest carbon chain. Okay, so here in a word we are going to get the word ethyl, diethyl, 5 isopropyl, 4 methyl octane. Okay, just to work out, you will get the clarity on this. So in this example, you can see in writing here we are considering the ethyl letter, then iso we are going to consider. Okay, already we told isonia we are going to consider, but not the word tertiary. Okay, here you can see this methyl. So here di you should not consider. Okay, so we are not going to consider the di, tri, tetra prefixes. So you have to consider the e letter in the ethyl and I letter in the iso, and in the methyl m letter you have to consider. According to that, in alphabetical letter you have to write the word nomenclature. So lowest sum and alphabetical arrangement. This is the example.